is the cheapest upgrade in your wardrobe and the most misunderstood. Most women play it so safe they disappear, or use too many colors at once and clash. Today, I'm showing you 12 specific combinations confirmed on the runways of Paris, Milan and New York this season. The ones that are rated as quietly expensive the moment you put them on. Cobalt is the color that replaced navy, and did it better. Navy plays it safe. Cobalt makes a decision. Against crisp white, not ivory, not cream, but proper clean white, it creates the most confident combination on this list. The kind that gets noticed across the room before you've reached the other side of it. Sky blue, not cobalt, not navy, but that specific clear, open Mediterranean tone is confirmed by Vogue as one of the most important new colors heading into summer 2026, and its most unexpected pairing is bright yellow. In linen, this combination is the definition of effortless. It flowers like a holiday, it wears like a decision. We said goodbye to Barbie pink. What replaced it is far more intelligent and far more wearable every single day of the week. Dusty pink has grey undertones. This is the whole secret. It functions as a neutral, warm, soft, completely undemanding. Paired with Camel and oatmeal in the same warmth family, it creates a tonal combination that feels expensive without doing anything loud. Royal purple was considered theatrical for years. Too loud, too much. Fashion experts called it an anti-trend. Until spring-summer 26 arrived, and Balenciaga, Valentino, Prada, and Celine all sent it down the runway in full look simultaneously. Against black, which grounds it completely, royal purple becomes something else entirely. Primary colors were the single biggest color story from the spring-summer 26 runways in New York, Milan and Paris. Not as single statements, as combination. And the most powerful of all the primary pairings, carmine red against cobalt blue. However, confirmed this is one of the unexpected color combinations fashion people will soon be wearing everywhere. Powder pink is leaving, sorbet pink is arriving, and the difference matters more than it sounds. Powder pink has grey undertones that made it feel muted, safe, slightly washed out. Sorbet pink has a light red undertone that gives it clarity and freshness without becoming Barbie. Against ivory and champagne, both warm, both light, it creates a combination that feels simultaneously soft and completely considered. This is the combination that the best dressed women in London are wearing right now, and it will take 6 months to reach everyone else. That gap is your advantage. Emerald green replacing the mossy, dark greens that dominated 2024. Burgundy is still present, but used differently as a grounding partner rather than a hero shade. White is already a formula. Cognac is the third piece, the accessory tone that upgrades the classic combination into something that reads as thoughtfully assembled. This is the combination I wanted to try tomorrow morning. Teal and orange are complementary colors on the color wheel, directly opposite each other, which means they intensify each other when placed side by side. Fashionistas confirmed this as one of the freshest, most vibrant combinations of spring-summer 2026. Deep teal, bright purple, and vibrant orange are appearing across collections, often styled together in unexpected combinations. SS26 Camel on its own reads as safe. The combination that wakes it up, that transforms it from reliable to remarkable, is Teal. Against Camel, it creates a warmth mid-school contrast that neither shade achieves alone. Camel is the most forgiving beige color in fashion. Teal is the most exciting new accent. Battle yellow against black is the combination that has the power of red against black, but without the aggression. It's warm, it's optimistic, it communicates confidence without demanding attention. This is the one I told you to stay for, and I completely understand if your first reaction is absolute not. Chartreuse replaced lime green, which was the anti-trend, but Chartreuse is more complex, deeper, more yellow-green than pure lime. It has an intelligence that lime never had. Against cappuccino brown, a warm, deep, sophisticated neutral, it creates a combination that is almost impossibly chic.